Good day everyone, I am Meryl Icolalik from BSTM2A and this is my project in ethics. Ethics is derived from the Greek word ethos. In philosophy, ethics defines what is good for the individual and for the society. Environmental ethics. In environmental philosophy, environmental ethics is an established field of practical philosophy which reconstructs the essential types of argumentation that can be made for protecting natural entities and the sustainable use of the natural resources. The example of environmental ethics is things like water and air pollution, the depletion of natural resources, loss of biodiversity, destruction of ecosystems, and global climate change are all a part of the environmental ethics debate. There are 5 major environmental ethics. First is biodiversity. Biodiversity is the most complicated and crucial aspect in our planet. Water pollution is a massive problem for us and in our environment. Deforestation. We need to have plant and trees to survive. Pollution caused by solid and liquid particles and certain gases that are suspended in the air. Climate change. There are 4 effects of climate change: increased heat, declining water, health impacts due to heat, and flooding, and erosion in coastal areas are additional concerns. The 3 primary theories of environmental ethics is anthropocentrism, biocentrism, and ecocentrism. Anthropocentrism, regarding humankind as the central or most important element of existence, especially opposed to God or animal. When we assess animal intelligence, we tend to take a very anthropocentric view. Biocentrism is an ethical point of view that extends inherent value to all living things. Ecocentrism is a point of view that recognizes the ecosphere rather than biosphere as central in importance and attempts to redress imbalance created by anthropocentrism. There are 2 tasks of environmental ethics. Environmental ethics builds on scientific understanding by bringing human values, moral principles, and improved decisions making into conversation with science. Solutions to environmental issues. First is replace disposal items with reusable items. Second, the use of paper should be avoided. Third, conserve water and electricity. Fourth, support environmental friendly practices. Last, recycle. Implementing recycling habits into your daily life is one of the most effective ways to help lessen landfall waste, conserve natural resources, save habitats, and slow down global warming. Is poverty an environmental issue? One of the biggest ways that environment is affected by poverty is through deforestation. Air pollution is one of the major consequences of poor production techniques, while water pollution is a result of poor water management, once again due to lack of knowledge. There are 3 environmental ethics. This lesson reviews 3 basic pairs of principles: justice and sustainability, sufficiency and compassion, solidarity and participation. These lessons demonstrates how environmental concerns challenge us to extend these principles to include the well-being of the natural world and our human duties to it. We need environmental ethics because conservation ethics also revolve around making human communities and ecosystem better, protecting important resources for the present and future. This philosophical approach values the human, non-human dynamic in nature, recognizing how humans and the environment have an ongoing causal relationship with one another. Environmental ethics is important to study because it studies the moral relationship of humankind with its environment. Environment plays an important role by providing resources to sustaining life. And that's all for today. Thank you.